I am telling you about the sorting in MS Excel. If you see on the worksheet, there are 3 students, Geeta, Nidhi and Lalit. Their marks in English, Maths, Hindi, Science and Social Studies. So what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means arranging into ascending order or in descending order. Ascending means increasing order. Descending means decreasing order. Ascending means lowest to highest. Okay. Suppose if you want that a list of student in ascending order on which field we want English. In English we want the list of student in ascending order, means who is getting the lowest and in the and highest, lowest to highest. So if you see here, Geeta is getting 68. This is the lowest one in English. So it is all right. So Lalit should come into the second row, okay, in second row, and the Nidhi should come into the third row. So how we will do it? Go to the data option, okay, click over here. Go to the sort option, click over here. Then you will get the pop-up menu, this pop-up menu. After this pop-up menu, you click on this one. You will get the English. Okay, what do you want? You want in smallest to largest. Look here first, list 68, 78, 70. When you will click on OK, now see the list. Okay, is it in ascending order? If you see only English, I am talking about English. Okay, clear? Now it is in the original form, worksheet. Suppose you want to do a list in English highest to lowest, means in descending order, and science you want in ascending order, means smallest to greatest number marks, largest marks. Okay, what you will do? The same procedure. Go to the data option, look here, click over here. You will get this pop-up menu. In getting this pop-up menu, you click first on English, but English we want largest to smallest, and then we want to take science at level here, another level. What we want? We want science. Click on science, okay, because we want smallest to largest. It is okay. Now click over here. Now see, this is your sis. Okay. So largest to smallest in English, and in science smallest to largest. This is increasing order and this is decreasing order. One student asked me, sir, how you are getting this amount? So this is a copy of formula. What is this? This is copy of formula. See here, if you click over here, so because we have to add number from C2 to G2, so what we will do, we will put cursor here, then we will go to the address bar. In address bar, equal sign is equal to sum is equal to C2 to G2, means its meaning is, its interpretation is, add all the numbers that those are in C2 to G2, 78, 99, 73, 89 and 90. These will be added. Okay, these will be added. After adding this, when we will click, 429 is coming. Okay, then what you have to do? Delete it. How you will copy the formula? Because there is no need to write every time the formula in each row. If you will have the 1000 records, how it is possible? So there is a facility. So what we do, you click over here, right click, then click on copy. What I am doing, I am copying the formula. So this way, now drag it this way, sorry, shift it here. This way it will be copied. Okay, again click over here, copy, then drag it. This way the formula will. Thus all the function you can do in the same way. Minimum, maximum. Okay. So this is the example is same as has been given in your book. So it will be easier to you to understand. Okay. Thank you.